Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a suspicious download blocked error in Google Chrome web browser. So you need to first launch your Google Chrome, then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, go to Settings. Now from the Settings page on the left-hand menu, click on Privacy and Security. Then after, click on the security option that it's between third-party cookies and site settings. After that, temporarily select No Protection option under Safe Browsing, and a pop-up will appear. Then click on Turn Off, which was highlighted in blue color, and now you can download your file. After you've finished downloading, immediately go back to the security settings and re-enable Standard Protection or Enhanced Protection. That's how you can resolve a suspicious download blocked in Google Chrome. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.